Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netflix on Xbox Series S step by step clearly. First, turn on your Xbox Series S console. Make sure your Xbox is connected to the internet.
From the home screen, navigate to the Microsoft Store.
Select the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Netflix and press the search button. Locate the Netflix app in the search results. Select the Netflix app to open its information page.
Click on the Get or Install button to download the app.
Wait for the installation process to complete.
Once installed, return to the home screen.
Scroll down to the My Games and Apps section. Select Apps to find the newly installed Netflix app. Highlight the Netflix app and press the A button on your controller. Open the Netflix app. You will see the Netflix login screen. If you already have an account, select Sign In. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, select Join Free for a month to create one. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Netflix account. After signing in, you will be taken to the Netflix homepage.
Browse through the available titles and select the one you want to watch.
Enjoy streaming your chosen movie or series on Netflix.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.